it's me, Patty Cam, your number one to BT Cam. Representing UP Chemical Engineering Society, UP Chem. The origin of Patty Chem came up from my friend. Anong magandang drag name? Tapos sabi nila, ano ba yung pangalan ng org mo? UP Chem. Tapos sabi nila, what if wordplay siya ng Patty Kim? Naging Patty Chem. Kaming mga drag queen, gusto namin ipakita yung art at yung fashion namin through drag. With our current situation, balikan natin yung reduce, reuse, recycle. Imbes na bumili tayo sa mga fast fashion brands, mag-ukay na lang tayo. You could find creative looks through trash.